All right, welcome to the first live session for today. I am sorry for the latest start. I was trying to put some technical setups together, okay? I am sure everything is fine now, and you can get my screen at your end and hear my voice very clearly as well. If you have any issues not getting the live stream at your end, please let me know, okay? All right, let's move on to conduct this morning session. But if you are joining in for the very first time, please click on the play button, move on to the settings, okay, to your settings tab here, and ensure you set your video quality to the 480 pixels so you can get a clearer view at your end. All right, once you've done that, your video quality should improve. All right, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar for today. We have already discussed this yesterday, but it's important that we keep coming here every single session. Today we are going to have the FOMC meeting minute release. This is a news event that could spike all American dollar crosses in heavy momentum. That means we have to be careful with all American dollar crosses from now on. I repeat, we have to be careful with all American dollar crosses from now on. Okay. All right, so if we find a valid setup in American dollar crosses, even if we take the trade, we want to close the trade early enough before this news announcement. That is what is going to happen, and don't be surprised to see abnormal price volatility in all American dollar crosses for today before this news announcement. All right, let's move into the charts and conduct our analysis. First, we are going to start with the euro against the American dollar. You can see how price is now bouncing off this leaning trend line, that hourly trend line that we drew as of yesterday. We got a little pullback to that line, and price is still sitting on top of that line. Right now, price is trapped between resistance right there in the 4 hours time frame and this level of support in the 1 hour time frame. The 3 SMA trend filter is calling for uptrends. You can see from the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and the 1 hour time frame. So let's fire in the indicator and see the kind of trend that we have. Is it tradable? All right, in the 1 hour time frame, price has not bounced off the dynamic area of support, so the trend here is not good enough for us to trade. So let's see the 30 minutes time frame. All right, in the 30 minutes time frame, it's although it's been a difficult one here, those bounces are not really looking good from here, but at any rate, the bounce off the dynamic area of support. Then we are having another one here. It is quite difficult to determine the point of confluence within the area of support here. At any rate, we are going to mark this too high. Okay, even though we are having that bounce, it is within that range. So this is a range breakout setup. It is a range. We need price to break out of this range, and we are having that 4 hours level of resistance. So let's see that 4 hours levels of resistance. It's a clear level of resistance. You can see there. The 30 minutes 3 SMA setup is valid. If we are looking at this breakout setup, that range, it is valid, and if we are trading based on this, we need to see a breakout to the upside, a pullback, and a continuation move. Okay, that will be valid. Again, if we are looking into the London Open breakout strategy, marking the Tokyo range, we already have an intra-week trend, so that is the first precondition that has been certified. The second one is the Tokyo range. Now you can see that Tokyo range right there happening at the extreme of yesterday's daily box indicator. Can you see that? So this is a valid London Open breakout setup. price is not trending, it is a sideways price action. So we need price to also break out of that Tokyo range. It's typically going to be the same thing like trading the 3 SMA setup in the 30 minutes time frame. If price breaks to the upside, we'll be waiting for the pullback and for the continuation move. We'll be more interested in breakouts to the upside. Okay, we'll be more interested in breakouts to the upside. So let's wait and see what is going to happen within this range. That is the Tokyo range. As soon as the London market opens, we'll be looking to find our entries. Okay, we are more interested in breakouts to the upside. And remember, since we have the FOMC meeting minute for today, that means after the London session, we are going to stop trading in this pair. Okay, we are going to stop trading. The London open breakout setup is valid. The 3 SMA setup in the 30 minutes time frame is also valid. They both have almost the same entry strategy. So let's wait for the breakout of this range. Okay. All right. To me, this pair is still bullish, so we should keep searching for long opportunities. All right, that is it for the euro against the American dollar. Nothing else. I think we have addressed everything. Our trade for yesterday, remaining portion has been closed, but I am still optimistic that with the type of price action that I am seeing here, this pair is still very bullish and should be pushing to the upside for today. So remain bullish. Do not click on your sell button yet. There is no sign of this pair going down at this time. All right, let's now move into other pairs and see what we have.